Congratulations! Nag-shower ka pa ha. Nauna na kami dito. Tagal nyo. Congratulations! We're so proud of you.
Yeah.
What's this?
That's that. Is that your award?
It's my winnings.
Yeah, that's why Lucky said it's a celebration today. Congratulations. Where's your award? Ito na yun. Yay! Champion! Champion! Congratulations. How many? 150 people?
Over 169.
169 people. Oh, congratulations, Paul. Nako talaga. Kaya,
Show it.
congratulations for your tournament.
Ang bigat naman.
Parang lagay ng tequila. Inisip tequila. Lowest ano yan?
Lowest gross score.
Kasi pagka lower pala, mas panalo.
Yes.
Akala ko pag mas mataas, number 1 pag lowest. Number 1. Wow.
Congrats, Papa P!
First tournament in the Philippines.
Yeah, first.
Yeah. And then you won.
We were talking about it.
169 people. My God. So many
Congrats,
people.
Papa P.
So many good golfer there. So many golfer pero siya yung nanalo. Magaling kasi yan eh. Magaling to eh. Alam ko na mananalo. Ha? Kaya celebration namin to today. Kaya nag-dinner kami. 72 kasi yung score niya, pinakamataas. Tapos what, grabe. We're gonna celebrate! Kilala kasi siya ng mga, kilala siya ng mga Mami Chris. Kilala kaya ng mga kadi kahit saan mag-hike ka. Hindi na daw nag-hike eh. Nag-hike naman siya pero mahihain kasi ito. Alam nag-hike ng
When
kadi.
you want, Darren, send me a video of your award.
Where's the awarding? Can you send me the videos? I want that. Send it to me. Nakakalala sa kanya. Pero
Dahil
nahiya
so
siya
proud.
pag kasama. Yeah.
You were like,
You beat him.
we
You beat
actually
him.
tied, but he
Nag-tie.
had an eagle, and he had a higher handicap, so he won the net. But I won the best.
The
round,
best, everything.
The better one.
Yeah, the better everything. Oh, parang